Today we are doing an ice cave, and that's always a good day. This day has, well, the storm has passed. There was a massive storm here last night, and that has passed. And well, we had some car trouble last night. It wasn't nice. It's never a nice feeling when you have car trouble somewhere in the middle of nowhere and there's a storm coming. But, well, there's always somebody you can call for help. And so we could drive the beast. We call the bus the beast to safety and all the people. And so we're fine now, and somebody's looking at the car now. It might not come as a surprise if you've been watching those workshop vlogs. I talked about it in one of the earlier episodes, our wonderful car and the adventure that can follow that particular truck. But enough of that. Let's go see an ice cave.
I need a heavenly touch, 'cause I'll be backsliding. I need a little guiding for my soul. Only heaven knows, 'cause I just need a helping hand. It's gonna help me stand.
It doesn't matter how often you get in one of these ice caves, they always look so good. It's so incredible to see the blue and the colors in the ice and the patterns and stuff. It's just an experience. And if you haven't done it, you should.
'Cause I just need a helping hand. It's gonna help me stand. It's gonna help me stand. 'Cause I just need a helping
But that's it, really. I'm gonna show you a few photos I took here, and hope you like them. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.